This is a sample video with the ND filter. And I am gonna remove the ND filter right now. And this is the sample video without the ND filter. So this is the ND filter. Bring it back so you can see the difference. So I'm gonna show you a sample video with and without the ND filter. So this is the H&Y VND CPL RevoRing Mark II. It's 67mm to 82mm. So as you can see, ito siya. It has a locking mechanism. So currently it's locked and I'm gonna unlock it. So when you turn it, nag-adjust siya into a different size. So yeah, it's a multi-purpose lens. You can use it on your 67mm to 82mm. Mayroon tayong CPL tsaka VND na meron din mga locking mechanism. Yan. So you can lock your settings and use it later. So yun lang.